In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Bluetooth settings in Windows 11. If you're having trouble connecting your Bluetooth devices, like headphones, keyboards, or speakers, or things just feel a bit glitchy, resetting your Bluetooth setup is a great way to start fresh without having to reset your entire computer. I'll walk you through this slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own Windows 11 PC. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Start button. Then open Settings. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to open Settings directly. Once Settings is open, look at the left-hand side and find the section called Bluetooth and Devices. Then click on that. This is where Windows manages all of your Bluetooth connections and accessories. Inside Bluetooth and Devices, make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. If it's already on and you're having issues, don't worry. We're going to reset it by removing and re-adding your devices. Scroll down through the list of connected devices. For any Bluetooth device that's giving you problems, click on it and choose the option to remove device. Confirm that you want to remove it. This doesn't delete the device in real life. It just clears the saved connection from Windows, which is what we want. Take a moment to remove any old or unused Bluetooth devices as well. A long list of saved devices can sometimes cause conflicts or confusion for Windows when it tries to reconnect. Cleaning up that list helps you start with a clean slate. Once you've removed the devices, toggle Bluetooth off using the switch at the top of the Bluetooth and Devices page. Wait for a few seconds, then turn Bluetooth back on. This quick off and on cycle refreshes the Bluetooth service in the background and often clears minor glitches. Now it's time to reconnect your device. Put your Bluetooth accessory into pairing mode. Each device does this a little differently, so if you're not sure how, check the instructions for that specific device. When it's in pairing mode, go back to the Bluetooth and Devices page and click on Add Device. Choose Bluetooth and wait for Windows to scan. When you see your device appear in the list, click on it to connect, and follow any prompts that show up on the screen. After it connects, test it out to make sure everything is working smoothly. By removing the device, cycling Bluetooth off and on, and then pairing again, you've effectively reset your Bluetooth settings in Windows 11.